Today, guys, I'll be showing you guys my cat. Just have my blankie. Here's my cat. Now I'm just gonna shut up, and now I'll just focus on my cat. If she focus, no. Can you look? Kitty, they want to see you face. Ah, stop. Sorry guys, it's bad quality. My cat will never stop. Oh, there you go. Thank you. There she is. She has a collar on. Hey. I know you're cute. Okay, you better do what the other cats do. Cute. She literally hates me doing this. Can you say hi? Say hi to the camera. Or rub it at least. Oh, you just want to rub my hands. What is this? What? You don't like camera? Okay, she's trying to smack you guys. And now, I better stop. Okay. I better stop talking. Stop scratching my blanket, okay? Sorry, guys. Me. Say goodbye. Can you?